What's the difference in the Elegoo Centauri Carbon, the original, and the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 2, which is the latest one that came out? Short and sweet, easy way to look at it is the biggest difference is the Centauri Carbon has one spool of filament that it can use at a time. And look, I am looking in through the top where I have taken the glass top off. And you can see it down here printing in one color. Now when we move to the Centauri Carbon 2, the big deal here is we have 4 spools of filament loaded. They can all be the same color, they can be different colors, they can be different types, whatever you want to do. And we have, they call it the canvas system here, that has the 4 different filaments all coming in, and it's going to control which one feeds. So automatically it can change colors between filaments. So here we see the base of this is only printing in white, but when we get up higher, here's what it's going to look like. In one print, automatically it's going to change colors to the red or orange for the beak, and then the that's actually a multicolor silk that you see right here that I think does really cool things with the eyes on here, giving them a little bit different color. So all of that without manually changing filament at all. You can print in multiple colors on the Centauri Carbon, but you have to do filament changes manually. It's very tedious. Another change, the dimensions are very similar. The Centauri Carbon 2 has a larger touchscreen control that does a little bit more things than versus the also color touch screen control on the Centauri Carbon. But look at the top here. This is an aftermarket thing that I printed, a riser to allow some ventilation and additional vertical clearance. This big plastic thing that you can kind of see through, that is part of the canvas system. It is stock, it comes with it. So if you need to worry about vertical space to store your printer, the Centauri Carbon 2 requires a lot more space. I believe, I've got some videos that give you real dimensions. I want to say this was about 29 inches high, where this was significantly shorter, as you can see here. So those are the big differences. Number one, the biggest one, we have an AMS, an automatic management system for the filament, where we only have one color filament here, but then also the vertical size. Like, subscribe, and follow so you don't miss any of our Maker Channel nonsense.